The Pokk Cordless Impact Wrench 1/2 inch is a versatile tool that can function as an impact wrench, drill, and screwdriver, making it suitable for various working situations, such as working on trucks, cars, and scaffolding. This impact wrench comes with an extensive kit that includes 5 impact sockets, 8 impact drills, 6 screwdriver bits, 4 straight threaded sockets, and a 1/2 inch adapter, providing all necessary accessories for most repair needs. The package includes 2 rechargeable 21-volt 4.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, which provide a longer usage time, and a fast charger that can fully charge the battery in just 2 hours. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, the Pokk Cordless Impact Wrench delivers a maximum torque of 330 foot-pounds, making it capable of effortlessly loosening or tightening all types of bolts or nuts. The impact wrench features stepless speed control and an LED design for easy use even in dark conditions. And it is also waterproof and anti-electricity, fall protection high-quality body, allowing for use in rainy weather. The Pokk Cordless Impact Wrench has a bidirectional and brake stop feature, which provides locking protection and forward and reverse modes, ensuring that once a nut or bolt is loosened, the brake stop will activate to reduce speed and torque, preventing the nut from flying off.